Have you ever wondered why people travel across North America and internationally to Lichtsinn RV in Forest City, Iowa? Here are some great points unrelated to price about why you should choose Lichtsinn RV. New RVs built here in Forest City have no delivery miles on them. We don't use delivery services during that crucial engine break-in period, so you have a factory fresh RV in which you can be the first one protecting that new powertrain investment, eating that first meal in your RV, and sleeping that first night in your factory fresh RV. At delivery, take advantage of our half-day educational orientation in which one of our master RVDA certified technicians will walk you through the coach in a scripted format showing you what to do, what not to do. We cover maintenance and we cover warranty. That really serves two purposes. One, it allows you to become 100% knowledgeable on that RV, and it allows you to thoroughly inspect that RV prior to doing your financial close. There are no additional fees for doing business with Lichtsinn RV here in Forest City, Iowa. We do assist you in that titling process, and we can help you with your out-of-state title work. Post-delivery, we will follow up with you. We utilize technology throughout our sales, our parts, and our service so that we can actually maintain that relationship, and you have a full team of support while on the road, in which you have your sales consultant, a manager, a parts consultant, and a service consultant all on your team after the sale. But don't just take our word for it. Check out our independent reviews on Facebook and Google, where we actually average 4.9 and 4.7 across hundreds of reviews of people that have done business here at Lichtsinn RV. Click below to learn more about what makes us unique here at Lichtsinn RV.